Thank God. Look at the weather today. Today I'm going to the floating market. First time since the pandemic. Let's check how the floating market look like. And I arrived at Amphawa Floating Market. Amphawa Floating Market is in Samut Songkhram Province, open on Friday, Saturday and Sunday. I can say this floating market is quite popular among the tourists, and you can just walk around, get some food, and also you can take the boat tour. So today I think I'm going to walk around and then take the boat tour and then check the food to eat later. I came here once before the COVID and I can say it was busy, super busy compared to this time. But I think it's gonna getting busy soon because the tourists start to come back to Thailand right now. Alright, as I said, I'm going to check the boat tour. So let's have a look one of them. If you come here by daytime, you can take the tour to 5 temples. I choose Bang Prom, Bang Khae Klang, Bang Gung, Bang Khae Yai and Thong Khung Temple. And it's just 50 baht, it's really cheap. Wear your life jacket and just waiting for the time. Still waiting for the boat and I feel hungry already. I think after this boat tour I will back here and find something to eat. Bye! Not just a day tour, if you stay here all day, I recommend you to try the evening tour to catch fireflies. It's beautiful. The first one is Pumarin Temple. She's taking a picture for you. I think she will show you the picture before you leave the temple. Actually, the full name of this temple is Pumarin Guditong Temple, and Guditong is mean the teak house. It was built during 1782 and now it's like a museum. I finished from the first temple, walking back to the boat and going to the next temple. And the second one is Thong Khung Temple. This is more than 200 years old temple. I just arrived at the third temple. This is Longpato Temple, and I just realized they changed the temple from what they told us before. Anyways, every temple still worth to see. The first one is Bangkok Temple. For this temple, I'm going to say you can't miss the main hall. Go inside and check how beautiful it is. The fifth one, you have to walk a little bit. You leave the boat, you cross the road and keep walking. This is a kind of unseen temple, and this is Bangkok Temple. It's unseen because of the main hall is under the root of Bodhi tree, and to get inside, for the ladies, you have to wear something cover your legs. If you wear something short, no worries, they provide you the clothes or sarong to cover your legs. On the way back, I pop up to check these guys, and you know this is the collection of Thai boxing. Right, I finished from 5 temples tour, and this is really nice. You have to do this if you are in Amphawa. Let's go back to the floating market. I will take you to one noodle place for my late lunch. Thank you, the driver, for the lovely day. From where the boat stopped, I have to walk a little bit to the noodle place, but along the way, can you see so many food? This is fresh and from local. This fish is must try in Amphawa. There are also the souvenir shops, kind of t-shirts or Thai boxing stuff or toys. And I can see this afternoon more people start to arrive at the market. Here we are. This is where I'm going to have my late lunch. It's a kind of noodles. Let's see what am I going to order. You can enjoy the noodles next to the Meklong River. I've picked this place of course because of the taste, but I like the bowl is made from the coconut shell. about to leave the market, but I saw the seafood, so I think I will order some and will enjoy my dinner at the balcony tonight. Say goodbye to Amphawa Floating Market and see you at the hotel. For the hotel, I will do another vlog. If you're looking for the place to stay in Amphawa, don't miss it. And tomorrow I'm going to somewhere else. I will have a quick review at the end of this vlog. Good morning, and this is 6 a.m. I'm going to walk next to the river to offer food to the monks. One activity from the hotel is offer food to the monk. The staff will prepare the place and stuff for us. If you don't want to do this, but you want to see, just get up early and come along. And he's coming. It's time for breakfast, but I will review the food in the same vlog with the hotel vlog. After this, we'll go get ready for the next stop. I pop up at the Nativity of Our Lady Cathedral. This is a Catholic church. To get inside, you have to wear something cover your legs. The last stop for this trip is Amphawa Floating Market. I just need some drink before driving back to Bangkok. As long as I'm here, why not just walking around and see what they have in this market? If you can't stay overnight, you can spend a day in Amphawa, like a day trip from Bangkok. It's only 1 hour each by car from Bangkok. You can take the train, minivan, minibus. And for me, it's time to go home. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. See you next vlog. Thank you.